How to clip video on iPhone for TikTok. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. From your library, open the video you want to clip. Now, tap on the Edit button at the bottom. You are now in the video editing page. Drag the end of the timeline to change the start and end times. Once you are done, tap on Done at the top right corner. Here, tap on Save Video as New Clip. You can now tap and see the clipped video. Now, go back and open up the TikTok app. Tap the plus icon at the bottom and go to the album icon at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on the clipped video you just edited. Then, tap on Next. Tap on Next again to proceed to the final step. You can now add a description and post the video. Following these steps, you can easily clip a video for TikTok on an iPhone.